Namaste. In today's video we are going to derive the formula of acceleration due to gravity small g is equal to gm by r square. Alright, this is the acceleration produced in a falling body under the action of gravity. Now let's start how to derive this formula. Say this is the heavenly object attracting the small object lying near on its surface or on the surface. Fine. So this object is attracted by the heavenly object, the earth. Now once the object starts falling under the action of gravity, say this object is falling under the action of gravity of the earth, the body gains acceleration. So today we are going to look at how is that acceleration calculated. Okay. Now according to Newton's universal law of gravitation, there is always attraction between two objects. Say earth has mass m and object has mass m, okay, and distance between them is r, which is equal to radius of the earth. It may be r plus h, or object can be at any distance, but here we have taken the radius as a distance between the object and the earth. Fine. Now according to Newton's universal law of gravitation, the force of attraction between them, F is equal to g m by r square. Fine. So this is the force by which earth is attracting the object. This is the force that is applied on the object. When you apply force to an object, the object moves. Remember Newton's second law of motion, where you have learned F is equal to ma. In Newton's second law of motion you have learned F is equal to ma. Alright, the force, when you apply the force according to law of motion, force on a body produces acceleration. So here the earth is applying force to the object, so object gains acceleration. So what force is applied on the body? What force is applied on the body? Given by the Newton, g m by r square. This is the force what is applied to an object, is equal to m. Here in case of a we can replace with the g. So this is the acceleration produced by the gravity. So acceleration produced by the gravity is represented by g. Now this mass is the mass of object. You can cancel mass on either side. The small m you can cancel. Now finally what you will get, g is equal to gm by r square. Remember this relationship. This is the formula what we use to calculate acceleration produced in a falling body. Fine. Now let's briefly look at this formula in detail. We have derived g is equal to gm by r square. What does it mean? Where m is mass of the earth or heavenly object, mass of the earth, and r is radius of the earth, As you all know, capital G is universal gravitational constant. Which is same everywhere in the universe. So that means the acceleration due to gravity, small g, depends only on two factors. What are those factors? G depends on mass of the earth or heavenly object and radius of the earth. These are the only two factors that decides acceleration produced in a falling body, radius of the earth. Alright, this acceleration produced in a falling body, remember, does not depend on mass of body, mass of falling body. Whether the big object or a small object fall, they all will get the same acceleration. Note this. The acceleration due to gravity does not depend on mass of falling body. So look here, we have derived the formula G is equal to gm by r square. For an object which is on the surface, you can use r. If object is at certain height, you can modify the formula gm by r plus h square, or simply say d square, and this d means the distance from the center. Up to surface you will have radius, above the surface you will have height. By using this formula we can calculate acceleration produced on a falling body. Note, acceleration produced in a falling body does not depend on mass of falling body. Same acceleration will be produced for every falling object from same height. If the distance is same, if the distance is same from the center of the earth, all the objects will have same acceleration. Thank you.